How to clear history on Reddit app on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can clear history on the Reddit application on Android. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can get the Reddit application on Android on your Play Store, so you can download it from there and you can log into your account. Now if you want to clear history using the app, what you want to do is you want to simply open up your Reddit application. You shall get an interface like this that you can see here on the home page. Right now here, what you want to do is at the top right corner there, you'll be able to see the profile icon. As you can see, you want to simply tap on that particular profile icon. Now once on your profile, at the right hand side you'll get a pop-up, and down below you can see the settings option right at the bottom right corner, and above it you can see the history option. You want to simply tap on history. Once you tap on history, you'll get an interface like this that you have your history. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You want to simply tap on it and you can see the clear history option. Simply tap on clear history and your history will be cleared. So this way you can clear your history on Reddit app on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.